Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking in the fundamentals. Set page setup to your KDP trim size, select margins for bleed if needed, and choose portrait orientation. Once done, import your manuscript and strip manual line breaks so styles flow. Make sure you create and apply paragraph styles for title, heading, and body text to control spacing, indents, and font sizing across the whole file. This prevents inconsistent formatting later and speeds up conversion to a print-ready PDF. Next, focus on layout and typography. Set margins with a larger inner gutter for books over ~150 pages and use consistent line spacing and a readable font size. Once applied, justify body text and set first line indents in your body style rather than using tabs. Insert images at high resolution and position them inline or behind text depending on design. Make sure chapter starts use page break, not section breaks, so page numbering and headers remain stable when exporting. Finish by exporting a high-quality PDF. Choose Download as PDF, confirm the document matches your KDP trim size and includes bleed if required. Then proof the entire file on screen and in print preview. Check table of contents links, page numbers, widows and orphans, and image clarity. If you find layout glitches, revert to your saved styled copy. Reapply correct paragraph styles and replace problematic pages with fresh page breaks. Troubleshooting tip: if formatting won't stick, copy content into a new doc and reapply styles. This often clears hidden formatting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.